Hoover Dam, the most iconic landmark of United States, located in the deserts of Nevada. In Black Canyon spanning the Colorado River between Arizona and Nevada, about 30 miles southeast of Las Vegas, Nevada. Hoover Dam has been rated by the American Society of Civil Engineers as one of America's 7 modern civil engineering wonders. Do you know when this dam was made and why? During the times of Great Depression, thousands of people were out of work and no jobs were available. The government decided to fund public works projects all over the country so that citizens would be able to get jobs to support themselves. One of these projects was to build a dam on the Colorado River. Construction began in 1931. And Hoover Dam was completed in 1936. Now let us see the marvel of its construction. The dam is 726 feet tall, that is 171 feet taller than the Washington Monument in the Washington, D.C. Hoover Dam was the first single structure to contain more masonry than the Great Pyramid at Giza. Once the world's highest dam, now ranks as the 18th highest. At its base, Hoover Dam is as thick 660 feet as 2 football fields measured end to end. The concrete used to make Hoover Dam was set with cooling tubes that sped up a process which would normally have taken more than a century to complete. There is enough concrete in Hoover Dam, about 4.5 million cubic yards, to build a 2-lane road from Seattle, Washington to Miami, Florida, or a 4 feet wide sidewalk around the earth at the equator. Now let us understand why it is shaped in such a manner. From the engineering point of view, the Hoover Dam is an arc gravity type dam. This is a hybrid of an arc dam and a gravity dam that combines the strengths and benefits of both types of dam. A concrete arc type gravity in which the water load is carried by both gravity action and horizontal arc action. The Hoover Dam is a combination of both the arc features and the gravity dam features. The gravity dam aspect of Hoover Dam is underwater, where the base of the dam is 650 feet from the downstream wall to the upstream section. As the dam rises, it gets thinner towards the top, finally reaching a thickness of only 45 feet. Hoover Dam was controversially named in honor of President Herbert Hoover. The Hoover Dam was named Boulder Dam earlier. When Herbert Hoover, the 31st President of United States, changed the name in 1930 to Hoover Dam. Later, when Roosevelt became the president, the name was changed back to Boulder Dam until 1947, when President Truman once again renamed it